Hello students, in this session I will explain you next 5 chapters. Now chapter number 11, Around the World. Answer the following questions. Question number 1, which landmass name means opposite to the Arctic? Antarctica. Second, which is the largest Caribbean island? Cuba. Third, which Indian state is known as the land of lamps? Kerala. A number of lamps are manufactured here. Fourth, which South American desert is the driest in the world? Atacama. Fifth, which river flows by the most number of national capitals? River Danube. Sixth, which river has a tributary called the Tungabhadra? River Krishna. Seventh, name the sea that separates the Middle East from Africa. The Red Sea. 8th, who designed the city of New Delhi? एडविन लुटियंस. एडविन लुटियंस ने न्यू दिल्ली को डिजाइन किया था. 9th, इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया व्हाट इज अ विली विली? ए ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन. 10th, which is the oldest desert in the world? The Namib. 11th, in which country is Adams Peak located? Sri Lanka. 12th, which continent is also known as the last of the lands? Australia. 13, on which river is the Aswan High Dam built? River Nile. 14th, which is the largest landlocked country in the world? Kazakhstan. There are number of land surrounded it. 15, which is the southernmost national capital in South America? Montevideo, the capital of Uruguay. 16, to which country do the Galapagos Islands belongs? Ecuador. 17, in Australia which month has the longest day? December, because Australia is situated in southernmost hemisphere, so 22 December is the largest day in December in Australia. Thank you. Now chapter number 12, animal quiz. Answer the following questions. Question number 1, which lizard has no legs? Glass lizard. Second, which body part do snakes and lizards use to taste and the air and detect prey? Tongue. Third, how many stomach does a cow have? 4. A cow has four chamber of stomach. Fourth, which animal has the biggest brain of all land animals? Elephant. Fifth, what is the scientific word for an elephant's trunk? Elephant के trunk का scientific name क्या है? Proboscis. 6. What are female elephants called? Cows. 7. 2 among the 3 most intelligent animals are human and chimpanzees. Which are the third one? Dolphin. 8th, how many eyes does an octopus have? 2. 9th, what species of goat is found in Turkey from which the firewool called mohair is obtained? Angora. 10th, name the countries with which the following animals are associated. A. Panda. Panda belongs to China. B. Llama, Peru. It is a species of camel. Third, bison, United States of America. It is male buffalo. D. Lemming, Norway. It is a rodent. 11th, which animal's name means river horse? Hippopotamus. 12th, name the wild dog of Australia which is an endangered species. Dingo. Endangered, which is about to finish. 13, which ape has a name which actually means the old man of the woods? Orangutan. 14, the rhinoceros is hunted down ruthlessly for its horn. What is it made of? Keratin. It is a protein. That's it.
Number 13, people of faith. Buddha. Siddhartha Gautama, the founder of Buddhism, who later became known as the Buddha, lived during the 5th century before Christ. After 6 years of searching, Buddhists believed Gautama found enlightenment while meditating under a Bodhi tree. He spent the rest of his life teaching others about how to achieve this spiritual state. Second, Dietrich Bonhoeffer, 1906 to 1945. Dietrich Bonhoeffer was a German pastor and theologian known for his opposition to National Socialism. His main opponent are Hitler and the Nazis. He was eventually arrested and died in the concentration camp before the end of the war. Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was a Roman Catholic nun who devoted her life to serving the poor and destitute around the world. She spent many years in Calcutta. Mother Teresa's life revolved around faith. She faiths that God resides in all human beings, from the lowest street beggar to someone dying in obscurity. Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda is considered one of the chief saints of India. He reintroduced the Indian philosophies of Vedanta and Yoga to the Western world. He became the symbol of the World Parliament of Religions 1893 in Chicago. Socrates. Socrates was one of the greatest Greek philosophers. Socrates was tried for his life in 399 BC, found guilty and put to death by drinking hemlock. To die with a philosopher's equanimity may be easy in theory, but Socrates died for his faith in truth, liberty, and faith to yourself. Pope John Paul II, a person of great faith prior to becoming the first Polish Pope. He lived through two very difficult occupations, first the Nazi occupation and then communist rule. Maintained great faith in sanctity of human life. That's it. Now chapter number 14, grouping animals. We can group animals on the basis of their behavior and characteristics. Tick the group under which the following animals can be classified. First, any of the invertebrate animals. Invertebrate animals are those animals which have not spinal cords. Characteristics by jointed legs, external skeletons, and segmented body parts, which includes insects, spiders, and crabs, can be grouped as arthropods. Second, any of sea mammals, especially those of fish like form with conic teeth. Some have no teeth, which includes whales, dolphins, and porpoises, can be grouped as cetaceans. Third, any of cold-blooded animals means those animals which regulate their body temperature according to their surroundings, with smooth, moist skin, and which live partly on land and partly in water, which includes frogs, toads, salamanders, etc., can be grouped as amphibians. Fourth, any of animals, some of which lack teeth, including sloths, ants, eaters, and armadillos, can be grouped as edentates. Fifth, any members of mammals which carry their young ones in pouches, including kangaroo, opossums, wombats, etc., can be grouped as marsupials. Sixth, any of invertebrates, some of which live in water, which have a soft, unsegmented body protected usually by calcareous cell. Calcareous cell is made by calcium carbonate and protect the soft body of these animals, including snails, oysters, cuttlefish, squid, etc., can be grouped as mollusks. Seventh, any of gnawing mammals which have continually growing front teeth. Scissors, including rats, squirrel, beaver, etc., can be grouped as rodents. 15. Dangerous fish. Name the following. First, during the daytime they found in deep water, and at night they found in special places like shallow territory and into the nets of deep sea fishermen. They don't survive very well in captivity. We don't know much more about them. Who is this? Viper fish. Second, one of the more abundant bottom dwellers. It means they found in sea bottom and Near about 15% of deep sea population they formed and found at the up to 6 kilometer. There are few other creatures that can survive in such hostile environments. Who is this? Grandeur. Third, also known as the pelican eel. This is probably one of the strangest looking creatures because it has an enormous mouth which is capable swallowing things much larger than itself. Who is this? Gulper eel. Fourth, named after its hunting technique. It has a special hunting technique that it produces a special fleshy structure from its head to attract its prey. Who is this? Angler fish. Now, fifth, primarily found in deep water of Australia and New Zealand. It lives at the depth of 1200 meters where the pressure is much higher than at the surface, and as a result its body is typical bony body. Who is this? Blobfish. Now, 6. Seldom seen by human eyes, it has for centuries been a thing of legend. Its real predator is sperm whale. In fact, these two are famous for their deep sea battle. और इनकी कारकेसेस मोस्टली इनकी बॉडी पर मोर्टल कॉम्बैट के मार्क से रिकॉग्नाइज किए जाते हैं. हु इज दिस? जायंट स्क्वाड. नेक्स्ट, सेवेंथ. Although they are found at the depth of nearly 2 kilometers, but they start their life at the surface of ocean as a result of its egg being buoyant. They produce a special structure like photophores that produce light that is attached to its lower jaw, which it most likely used for hunting. Who is this? Dragon fish. Next, 8th. Termed a living fossil, they found in Atlantic and Pacific Ocean. Scientists speculate that they catch their prey like a snake and swallow its victim whole. Who is this? Frilled shark. 9th, this startlingly large jellyfish can grow to be over 1 meter in length, and its name is related to its color because it carries a slight red coloration. It produces a special fleshy feeding arms to capture its prey. Who is this? Big red jellyfish. Next, this deep sea predator got its name for a reason, because most of its prey are bioluminescent. Bioluminescent means those insects who emit light, like as fireflies and so many. Their stomach is designed to prevent light from radiating through. Who is this? Pacific black dragon. That's it.